This is why everyone thinks Will Smith slapping Chris Rock was faked. You already know Will Smith slapped Chris Rock after Chris Rock joked about his wife last night at the Oscars. Well, a lot of people think it's faked for several reasons. The first reason is nobody talked about the Oscars before this incident. Basically, everyone thinks it's just a big publicity stunt. Another thing that points to it possibly being a publicity stunt is the TikTok Will Smith uploaded before the Oscars. Basically, the audio he uses in this video talks about living another day and making it everyone's problem. A lot of people think that audio choice is like a hint that plays in a little too well to what happened. Another thing people are saying is the cameras were like perfectly ready to capture everything. And the way that Chris Rock was standing kind of looked like he was preparing to be slapped. Now in my next video, I'll talk about some things that kind of point to the slap being real. But what do you guys think of all this?